I'm Outdoorsman. Today I have a tackle warehouse unboxing. There's two of them here, and then I have one coming in tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this video or I'm gonna make it a separate video. I'll wait and see. But let's get started. And in this box we have the Bass Mafia. I think this is the casket. Let's see. No, this is the Coffin. This is the Bass Mafia Coffin, which is an awesome like terminal tackle box, which is what I'm gonna use it for. So, yeah, we got this. I have the casket right here, and I'm just switching it to the Coffin because the Coffin has more spaces in it for more stuff. But it's got 40 individual compartments in it. Alright. Now we're going to get into the box, and a lot of this was the 25 Days of Christmas sale. And in the box that I have coming in was actually gifted to me, so I have no idea what's in it. Okay. Just the invoice and a sticker, or the return label, I mean. And the first two things, let me move this over here. The first two things I have are just two reel covers. When I'm tournament fishing, I carry two spare reels with me, one with mono, or actually three, one with mono, one with a heavier fluoro, and then one with a lighter braid. So I'm going to put covers on them so they don't get all scratched up. Then the next thing is the Cali Clip. And what this does is just go on your spinning rod, and you can put hooks on it, great for drop shot. I don't know if you can see the picture right there, but the weight just goes right below it, so the weight's not flying around. And there's three different sizes depending on what kind of rod you have. The next thing is a pack of 3/0 and a pack of 5/0 owner flashy swimmers, and I use these with my Kitex. This is the 5/0. And what it does is it's just pretty much a big hook with an underspin on it. And that's how I throw my Kitex most of the time, and they work really well. But the 5/0 is 1/4 ounce, and the 3/0 is 3/16. Next thing I have is the Rick Clunn classic suspending jerkbait, and it's in Black Illusion, which is just like a gold with a brown bottom and then a black top. Pretty good looking jerkbait. Next thing I got is the SPRO Fat Papa. This dives 5 to 9 feet, and this is the crankbait we did well on Logan Martin. See if I can get it out. In a sexy shad color. It's 1/2 ounce. Has number 4 Gamakatsu trebles on it. Alright, then the next thing is some Zeerust tabs. And these are just what come in the Flambeau boxes, the little blue dividers. But these are in tabs, and you can put them in like just regular tackle boxes. And I've been using the bullfrog ones, which are like up here, and they've run out. I think they've been in it for over a year, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them. The next thing is, let's see if I can find the other one. I got 3 packs of the Danielson bobber stops. Good bobber stops, work well. Next is the Project Z Series Z-Man Chatterbait, and this is 1/2 ounce. Let's see how to get it out. There it is. It's let's see what color this is. It's just dark green pumpkin. Black blade. The next thing is just these are never slip bait strips or bait tape, and you're just supposed to like wrap it around the bait once you put it on like a jig or something, and it's like, I don't know, supposed to hold it on better or something. I just got them to try because they were on sale. Next thing is the Missile Baits Crawfather in Bruiser Flash. This is Missile Baits' version of like the Speed Crawl by Zoom. And then I got the Gambler Burner Crawl. And this is also another version of the Speed Crawl. Next is 2 packs of Trocars swim bait hooks, and this is 3/0, which is a 1/8 ounce, and then 5/0, which is a 1/4 ounce. We just got some glass beads in black, some 3/0 flipping hooks from Eagle Claw, and the last thing is just some 3.8 inch Kitechs. And I just didn't do an order from Kitech. I ran out of the 3.8 inch. I'll have some 3.3s. But if you want 20% off Kitech off their website, send me a DM through Instagram, and I'll give you the code for 20% off. But thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting the other one in this video because this one's 9 minutes so far. I'll probably just do the other one separately and just do a smaller unboxing because I think it may be smaller. So thanks for watching.